up, guys? Welcome to Hemi-Driven. My name is Alan. So today we got an exhaust comparison because these two cars both have been muffler deletes. So we got Ash's RT Charger here, 5.7 liter, and my 6.4 liter scatpack sitting over here, 392. Both V8s. Mine's a little bigger. His is a tad smaller, but you know, whatever. They're both producing power. They got their mean. So we're gonna do an exhaust comparison. We're gonna see which one's louder, and you guys obviously gonna be the judge. Comment below to see, let us know which one you guys like the best. They're both gonna sound different because they're both different engines, but. All right, guys, so mine's really muddy because I just took it out of basically a mud pit. So sorry if you guys see any mud on there. I try and keep it clean, but you know, it's winter time here. So we are basically gonna start her up with our key fobs. All right, I guess it's my turn. So let's start her. So loud. Yeah, quite loud. So we're gonna turn it off here, and now we're both gonna start it up at the same time. And then we're gonna get in and we're gonna both kind of rev at each other. Okay. Alright guys, so what do you think? RT or Scatty? Comment below. They both sound great.
This one is louder. I admit that. I know.
Yeah, this definitely the Scatty probably overtakes.
This thing makes you jump if you have a soft heart. Don't come close to this. It'll give you a heart attack. Exactly. I'm telling you.
It is. Yeah, she's aggressive. Thing called Street Kings, so check that out in the description below, and we'll have merch soon, everything like that. After Christmas is when I'm going to be buying all the equipment, everything I need to make decals and to basically heat press and just to make my own apparel from home. It'll have Hemi-Driven merch there as well, so lots of stuff to come. So check that Facebook link below. Street Kings, Royale Street Kings, but I can't change the name to Street King or Royale Street Kings for some reason. So, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. We are now closing it out. We just finished doing pictures and drone footage, a little bit of nighttime stuff. So we got the pretty beast here. There's the blue one and there's the red one. RT and the Scatty just chilling. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Number one important thing, subscribe. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Who do you think's louder? The RT or the scatpack? See you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.